Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I bet the first thing that you want to know when you're buying new kitchen towels are whether they're absorbent or not. After all, they're a towel, right? So these ones from Serafina are so absorbent. Just look how quickly it licks up the water from this bowl. Now, obviously, you're not just going to be putting towels in bowls to see how quickly they absorb, but you're going to be using them to wipe off dishes or countertops. And look how amazing they are at drying. These are so beautiful. These are the sage green ones with a box loop design. They're made with 100% cotton terry cloth. I love the way that they feel because I have dry, rough hands quite often, and I like that these don't snag on my hands. And this color is so perfect. It matches the walls in the kitchen, and I just love that. Serafina has lots of different colors and textures for towels, so you are sure to find the one that is going to match your kitchen perfectly. I really love that these are oversized. They're 28 by 16, and that's great because then you can always find a dry spot as they're hanging up. These are such amazing, useful towels. I absolutely love them, and that's my point of view.